This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Logic and creating a software instrument track. This gives you immediate virtual control. Once done, enable musical typing with CMDK or open the on-screen keyboard to play notes from your computer keys. You should also set the audio buffer to 128/256 samples in preferences to balance latency and CPU load. Finally, choose an instrument patch with clear velocity response so your typing dynamics translate well. This setup lets you begin recording. You can record live with musical typing or use step input to enter precise notes one at a time. Both methods work well without hardware. Once recorded, open the piano roll to edit note positions, lengths, and velocities. Drag, nudge, and draw to shape your performance. Make sure to quantize to the grid or apply groove templates to tighten timing, then reduce mechanical feel with the humanize function. This combination gives you responsive control and polished arrangements without needing a Midi controller. You finish by enhancing parts with Midi effects like arpeggiator and chord trigger to generate complex patterns from simple input. Experiment with transposer for quick key changes. When plugins tax the CPU, bounce Midi regions to audio or use freeze to preserve performance. If something goes wrong, check audio I/O and Midi driver settings, restart Logic, and increase the audio buffer if you hear glitches. Following these final steps ensures a complete workflow without a Midi keyboard and a clear troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.